These are the Snug Leaves Fuzzy Scuff Slippers. Leopard, anything in leopard, I just love. They're instant comfort. You slip them on and you do not want to take them off, which is kind of the whole point, right? Okay, the faux fur is so soft and plush, not scratchy, very nice. Memory foam has enough cushion that my feet do not feel the floor and they don't feel like they're flopping around in here. I love the leopard / cheetah print, fun and cute. So me without being loud. And the sole feels solid for quick trips outside, mailbox, porch, packages, all of those. They're warm, your feet do not feel overheated. And for me, I did find that they're true to size. You can also, on gentle, toss these in the washing machine, which for me is a big plus. But if you want cozy house slippers that feel soft, they're very, very cute, and they hold up to everyday wear, these are an easy pick. They're the kind you keep by the bed and reach for without thinking. Highly recommend these Snug Leaves. And the video was sponsored by the brand, but the thoughts are my own.